Hey there, adventurer! Welcome to my Bushcraft channel, where survival, wilderness, and adventure come to life. I spend countless hours in the mountains and forests, pushing my limits and sharing my experience with you. Want to be part of this journey? Your support helps me create even more unique content, and in return, you get awesome exclusive perks. Choose your sponsorship level, Spark of the Campfire, get loyalty badges, exclusive emojis, behind-the-scenes photos, and priority replies to your comments. Shelter Builder, get early access to new videos, a special mention in my content, direct interaction with me, and exclusive sponsor-only content. Fire Ally, every great fire starts with a spark. Unlock exclusive shorts content available only to sponsors. Guardian of the Flame, the ultimate level for true bushcraft enthusiasts. Get special discounts on exclusive merchandise and take part of the survival challenge. You set the rules. Join our bushcraft community. You're not just a viewer, you're part of the team that fuels this adventure. Click the join button and become a sponsor today.